This is David Carlos from Victoria Air Photos and Survey. Welcome to this presentation. In this video, we're going to show how we can get an accurate result for volumetric calculations on an aggregate pile like this. Now that we have all of our equipment in place, we'll be able to show you that. We have the M300 RTK compatible drone with the most important piece, survey grade camera. We need to have good imagery in order to have accurate data and no distortions. Scan this area to get topographical data for assessment purposes or for a legal survey using the drone, and then loading it into software afterwards and getting the results that we need for a volumetric calculation. So please join us, and if you have volumetric calculations for mining applications, for soil, for aggregate, for gravel, and you need to double check or verify the quantity of the pile, let's scan it with the drone and we can get you a very, very quick result. So thanks for joining us and enjoy this video.
So of course every flight that we do is pre-planned with authorization from both NAV Canada and the property that we're operating on. And it's a meticulous process that we go by every time. Safety is always number one. This machine is very heavy and very dangerous potentially, and with over 10 years of experience and 3,500 hours of flight time, we have the correct protocols and checklists that each flight needs to be done safely and professionally. Once we get to post-processing, that's when we can really take a look at the 3D results of the model and then check it for accuracy, check it for distortions using a couple different palettes and assessment tools that we have on the computer. Once we visually verify that the data looks accurate, the pictures are lining up, there's no distortions, the lighting is good, we're then ready to deliver the client their volumetric calculation for assessment. And this really makes it easy to compare current stockpile volumes to previous surveys and to track site progress. And you can also compare stockpile surveys to a final grade design file to calculate how much material you still need to add or remove. And here is another example of a soil stockpile that we measured just recently. And as you can see, again, it yielded really nice results with our photogrammetry technique that we used, and we're improving, by the way, constantly using new techniques and new software programs. And as you can see, nice and smooth, clear and crisp pictures and images for the volumetric calculation as we have it here. Using drones to measure stockpiles is quickly becoming the go-to surveying workflow for earthwork sites around the world. And for professionals in the mining and aggregate industry, stockpile inventory management is one of the primary use cases for drone surveying. Well, thanks for watching, and please reach out to us with any questions or to book your volumetric calculation.